So Pro models this year from Apple have a big problem. As we know that Apple announced iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Both of them have the latest A17 Pro that is based on a 3nm chipset. After early testing in China, it seems that iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max are suffering from excessive heat and thermal throttling. According to Revenges, iPhone 15 Pro can reach up to 48 degrees Celsius during gaming and stress test. This will be a major problem for people living in hot regions. Apart from performance, this will also affect battery life. So what's the reason behind this excessive heat? According to the same source, TSMC's limited improvement with 3nm chipset and Apple's design flaw has worked together to make this chipset overheat. Further, it has been reported that iPhone 15 Pro Max battery lasted less when compared to iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the difference is around 50 minutes. While at the top, iPhone 15 Plus offers the maximum battery life thanks to its 60Hz display and A16 Bionic chip that's more efficient than A17 Pro. We have to wait a bit more for more battery results to give any final verdict. Overall, the performance gains of A17 Pro are definitely there, but at the cost of power consumption and thermal throttling. Even the latest Snapdragon offers a more efficient performance and cooling than the latest A17 Pro. The latest Geekbench score of iPhone 15 Pro showed a massive single-core score of 2999, while multi-core score was around 7700. The person who did this testing used a massive air cooler to perform this test, and that's only to avoid thermal throttling. I'm a bit skeptical about iPhone 15 Pro's long-term performance and battery life. Excessive heat reduces phone's battery life, and this will lead to battery health deterioration in a short period of time. Apple recently announced that they will be introducing console games to iPhone, but once again this is only possible if sustained performance with A17 Pro doesn't get a hit due to thermal throttling, as AAA titles like Assassin's Creed and Resident Evil will require a lot of power. But if you're still interested in buying iPhone 15 Pro to try out those console games, then you can buy this cooler from Razer Blade. This will offer maximum cooling, ensuring you are getting a maximum sustained performance without excessive heat or throttle. Its link is down in description, you can check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be testing iPhone 15 Pro Max on this channel. So stay tuned for more updates, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.